Our question of the day is going to be zigzag conversations. Kind of like how a lot of my conversations at work are. This is a Medium project right here, and we'll go ahead and go over to chat. Chat can answer this question, put it in a story form, get our thumbnail, all the normal stuff.
All right, let's break this down simply. This problem is all about writing a word in a zigzag pattern. Imagine you're writing the word PayPal issuing on a staircase that has 3 rows. 1. Start at the top row and write P. 2. Then move down the stairs. A goes in the second row and Y goes in the third row. 3. Now move back up the stairs, P in the second row, A in the top row. 4. Keep zigzagging up and down until the word is done. For 3 rows, it would look like this. PANMSIIGYR. After that, you just read each row straight across, like this. 1. Top row, pen. 2. Middle row. 3. Bottom row, year, and combine them. Pineapple C year. For 4 rows, the zigzag would look bigger. PINALZHRPI. You'd read across each row and combine. The task is to write code that creates this zigzag pattern and combine. Do you want me to explain how to solve this in code with a gaming story now?
All right, let's do this.
Gaming story, the cipher of the Zigzag Guardians. Antoine, a skilled adventurer in the digital gaming realm, stumbled across the cipher of the Zigzag Guardians, an ancient method of encrypting messages passed through the game's secret passages. To solve this cipher and unlock the next level, Antoine had to write messages in a zigzag pattern over several rows and then read them row by row. The challenge was clear. Given any secret message and the number of rows, Antoine had to convert the message to the Guardian's zigzag style. If successful, the Guardians would open the portal to the next stage. The strategy, simple explanation. 1. Imagine writing the message letter by letter on rows like moving up and down stairs. Start from the top row, go down until you hit the bottom row. Then reverse direction, go back up until you hit the top again. Repeat until all the letters are placed. 2. After writing the zigzag, combine the rows to form the final cipher. For example, message, PayPal is shiring. Rows, 3, zigzag pattern, PAHAAPLSIGYIR. Final cipher. Let's dive into the code that solves this step by step. Here's the code to solve the zigzag cipher in Java. It uses just one class and a simple approach to keep track of rows. Java public class solution, public string convert, string s int num rows. If there's only one row or the input is too short, return the string as is. If num rows equal 1, s.length equals num rows, return s. Create an array of string builders to hold characters for each row. String builder rows equals new string builder num rows. For int I equals 0, I num rows I plus, rows I equals new string builder. Variable to track the current row and direction, int current row equals 0, boolean going down equals false. Traverse the input string for char c, s.char array, rows current row to pen c. Add character to the current row. If we are at the top or bottom row, reverse direction if current row 0 equals 0, current row knows dice 1, going down equal going down. Move to the next row based on direction. Current row plus is going down, 1 minus 1. Combine all rows into a single result. String builder result equals new string builder, for string builder row, result append row. Return result dot to string. Step-by-step walkthrough. 1. Handle simple cases. If there's only one row, or the message is shorter than the number of rows, return the message as is. 2. Prepare for zigzag writing. Use an array of string builder, one for each row, to store the characters for each row. 3. Write in zigzag. Start at the top row, move down one row at a time. Once you hit the bottom, switch direction and move up. Keep adding each letter to the correct row based on your position. 4. Combine rows. After writing the message in zigzag style, join all the rows to create the final string.
Ooh, that's pretty good. Thumbs up, chat. We already copied the code, so we're gonna go ahead and plug that straight into the editor, see if it works. Which I don't know why it wouldn't. Let's go ahead and pop that in there. Pass. All right, cool. The next video is going to be find the index of the first occurrence in the string. See you on the next one. Let's check out that thumbnail one more time. It's fire. All right, peace, y'all.